Okay, here we have the Innkeeper's Daughter Sparkling Ale. So this Cooper's Beer Kit is really good. It's a British style ale. Just be aware of that. It's a little bit fruitier. It's got a bit more of that fruitier taste to it, like bananas and different esters in there. There is a bit of hop into it too still, so there's a little bit of hops that you're going to have with this one. It is, again, a British style ale. I actually enjoy this one. It's quite nice. I would go for it if you're looking for something that's not too bitter, but still want that British style kind of beer. In comparison to, for example, like the English bitter that we sell, and this one is a little bit lighter. So that's another option for you. This beer kit is made in about 3 to 4 weeks, and you're going to have some good drinkable beer. I always age it a little bit longer, but keep in mind that this is good right off the hop, but it just gets better with age.